Yerrrrrrrr. I don't want to scream because I'm outside and people are outside. But it's your girl ShauntéShaunté, and today I'm getting another Devacut in my backyard. You guys really liked the first one, so I said, why not? Let me make a part 2. So my hair color is different. I've dyed it about three times since the last cut, and I know that's a lot, but I wanted this color and I got it. So Tali's about to get me back in shape, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you soon. I just realized it's about to rain. I don't know if you heard that thunder rolling, but if it starts to rain, I'll just pause and we're gonna run inside. But I'm still getting my cut. Got enough light right there? Yeah. Gotta wave, Talia. Huh? Say hi, Talia. Hi. You got no manners, huh? Nope. Oh, no. Imagine us doing this. No, I want a brand right now.
pictures with your hair like this right now?
I will.
Yeah, send me those. Nice.
Hold on, right here. This is what's it? Why haven't you got your hair cut yet? I know your ends look ashy.
Who, me?
Hit up Talia. No.
My hair.
Right.
My hair just got cut.
Do a little quick spin.
Huh?
Cool.